If you have a green screen in the back of your image or a different color that you wanted to adjust or change, this video is going to walk you through how to do that. So if you wanted something a little bit more simple for the background, so it's not as distracting, this is going to go through changing those colors. Starting out, go up to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, and then Selective Color. So this one usually works pretty well to select a specific color within your image. So this doesn't necessarily have to be just changing the background. You can change different areas as well, but I'm going to start out with just adjusting the background. Since my background is green, I'm going to choose greens. So all the adjustments that I am going to make here are going to adjust anything in this picture that's green. So obviously most of the background here is going to be adjusted. And then as you slide around these different tabs, you're able to change the color of the background. And it's all going to basically give a different effect or a different color. So I'm going to leave that. That's the first way. The other way is through hue and saturation. So I'm going to delete this selective color for now just so I can show the next effect, but you can leave that if you did it already. You can also go up to Layer and then New Adjustment Layer and go to Hue/Saturation. And with this, I'm going to go to where it says Master and I'm going to choose greens. So again, I'm going to change and adjust all the greens in this image. Now saturation is how bright a color is, so if I take that down all the way to the left, it will basically turn it black and white. I can also move this lightness, so I can make the background darker. Lighter usually works the best though, so you almost have a white background. And that way, when you're drawing with the tablet on top of this, it's going to really help to free up some space so it doesn't stand out too much. If you want your background to be even brighter, you can select just the background. So I'm going to use this quick selection tool here and click in the background. Make sure that you are on your background layer though, so I'm going to switch to my background layer so it can start to pick up a little bit more. So I'm going to go back and continue to select the background. And with this, once you have the background selected, you can adjust the levels a little bit so the background's brighter. However, I am missing a couple areas, so I'm going to subtract from my selection. So I'm going to subtract the head here from my selection and the arm as well. If you want to go up to Select and Mask, you can, and that will help to create a better outline if you're struggling with getting a good outline of your image, so some areas might not pick up as easily. And I'm going to subtract the feet from my selection as well. Alright, so now you can go up to Image, Adjustments, and Levels, and you can adjust how bright your image is.